What's going on YouTube? So today we have the iPhone 13 mini. We're going to do some comparisons and see if it sizes up. So we're going to take a look at some of the stats real quick. We have the A15 Bionic chipset. It's the same chipset that you find in the other iPhone 13s. Also, the battery size is a 2438 milliamp battery. Now this battery is small, but it's super optimized. You should get about a full day's use out of it. And the size of this is a 5.4 inch display. Now this size allows one-handed operation and will really reduce your fatigue when consuming it and holding it and using it. Also, this has a 476 ppi. This has the Super Retina XDR display, has the true HDR. It's an OLED display, super nice. It's going to be super fun to do things on it. And then we have the dual 12 megapixel camera system. This is your standard camera system with Apple, and it is so feature packed. There's just so many things you could do with the camera and the video. You will not be disappointed if you pick up this phone and use this camera. So I just kind of want to talk to y'all about this phone and kind of take a look at it and see the size comparisons and some of the things. I'm going to take a few photos and a video, and just I want to show you guys the size difference between the 13 Pro Max and the Zfold 3 and see what it actually looks like. Now in your hand it feels really good, and I really do like this blue color. This blue color is super nice. I really do like the square body on this. They left that the same, and that blue color wraps all the way around it. It really accents nicely. I'm trying to get that light to reflect off there. You can see how well that works. Now this holds your SIM card here, pretty typical, and you got your volume up and down. You have your lock, and then we have our camera system on back. You know, it's got the dual cameras. You also have your sensors for your cameras. And then nothing on the top. In the front we have our Face ID, of course. We all know about that. And then you have your two mics on the bottom. And then we also have our speaker, and we have our lightning charger right there. So it's really good to know. Now this phone is packed with a lot of super good features. And basically it's an iPhone 13 Pro Max shrunk is the best way I could put it. Now when you look at it like this, it just looks so tiny, and really it is I think it's a engineering feat to have so many features packed in this phone, and it just runs so good. You're not going to be disappointed with the performance of this. It's running an A15 Bionic processor. Now the size of it is what someone's going to really want to go after. If they want a very small form factor, something that can fit in their purse or fit in your pocket, it's not going to be big and bulky, this is going to be the phone for you. Now this is the Galaxy Z Fold 3 from Samsung, and as you can see, the front display on it is about the same as the iPhone mini here, and it's just the iPhone mini is just a hair bigger, which is remarkable to have such a small phone that actually is a full-time phone like that. It is really impressive. Now I'm going to take a couple snapshots of the picture here with the camera. I'm going to take a couple snapshots with the camera here so we can take a look and see what we got. Now this is really interesting to use this. There we go. Got a picture there. Look at that picture. It just looks so good. You would expect that from an Apple phone. No matter what you're going to do with it, it's just going to look good. There we go. Look at that. And also I'm going to do is hit the video for a few seconds, and let's see what it looks like. It just looks so good. I can't believe how well Apple's camera systems are optimized. Now this has all the same features as the other phone. Here's some stats, for your activity tracker, your calories, running, working out, cycling. This is what you would expect, and this phone does have all the same features. you have your same app shelf. This does have the iOS 15 operating system on there. So now I'm going to do a little side by side here and see what we got for this. I just want you guys to see this one-hand operation is tough on the Pro Max, and then when you put this in your hand, look at, you can actually do everything you want with it. It's super good. So if you're looking for a one-handed deal, you know, this is something that may be interesting for you. Now this is what it looks like, and remarkably it still seems pretty big. I really do like that. Now I'm going to kind of compare some video, and you know, when you hold it side by side, it's not that bad. You know, you could still watch some videos on here with no problem, you know, if you want to watch some videos. But really, I just wanted to show you all this and kind of compare some of the stats. The S Pen doesn't work on there. Of course, it wouldn't, but, you know, I figured we'd try. I really do enjoy this form factor on this phone. I really do like the size. This phone's going to be, I really believe that more people are going to be picking this phone up, you know, as they see how well it fits and sizes in your hand. I'm going to do a long way or a sideways check on this right here. It does, I mean, you can see how small it is compared to the Z Fold 3. It's just unbelievable. Well, that's been my review of the iPhone Mini 13, and until next time, we'll see you later.